In the last few hours, a lot of people have been buying the trifecta, the three schools, design school 1 and 2 and color school. I just want to let you know that as of midnight tonight, that's gone for another year. So if you want to join, we're just reminding you that you have about 10 hours left to join. If you want to be able to put your pen to linen or burlap and just draw freely, choose colors wildly, foolishly, gently, happily, however you want to be able to choose colors, we've got the classes for you. And I'm recommending the trifecta because it's been a big seller. It was Angela's word. I've never used it before today. But it's been great. And so if you want all three, you got about 10 hours left. I'm going to design something beautiful to put on the floor out there. And you can too. You can design your own hooked rugs. It's easy, and you can choose the colors for them. It's easy. I know how, and I'm showing you how. You got about 10 hours left, and then it's gone for a whole year. See ya. Hookingrugs.com.